Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda Odyssey, that generation here from year 2011 to year 2017. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the sound amplifier fuse is located. If your sound amplifier doesn't work or you have no sound, check that fuse, guys. We'll explain where it's located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses, relays as well. Make sure to stay till the end. All that will be covered absolutely for free in this video for your convenience, guys. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys have a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 all the way to year 2017, guys, we will make a video about every single fuse, every relay. Why? Because in the manual sometimes it's not clear what the fuses relays are for. Okay, it could say something like FI. How do you know that this is the fuel injection, but actually it's for the fuel pump? So we're going to make video for every single fuse, every relay, because most of you will eventually even lose your manuals and they're not clearly written, guys. We're doing that to save you time and money. So if you need to find a fuse and you're down the road, let's say you need to find the engine starter fuse, all you have to do, just search for it. 1 second, the video pops out and you can find which fuse you need to check. Another thing now, guys, we're constantly working here at the garage on cars, constantly taking things apart, and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels, guys. Check it out if you need help with mechanical work, body work, anything like that, it will be there. Now, something else, guys, relays, fuses, okay, they could be really expensive. You have special fuses, you can see, like the JK's fuses, you have mini blade fuses, multi-fuse box, okay, and these fuses could be really expensive. So guys, we're going to show you, those are Honda specific fuses that can be really hard to find, or they can cost you a lot of money. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping as well. So let's go ahead and continue now. So let us show you now, guys. You're going to open the fuse box, okay, that's on the front passenger side, interior fuse box. You have two of them, one on the driver's side if you look upside down under the dash, but the passenger side is right here, and that's the cover right there that you just need to remove, and you will see a fuse box layout just like this one right here. Now, before we continue, guys, okay, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse for the sound amplifier, if you have that one as an option, okay, this one specifically that we worked on didn't have this one, okay, but if you have sound amplifier, you are looking at fuse number 1, looking at that very first fuse, okay, right here. So you have number 1 next to it, that fuse right there, that will be a 30 amp fuse if you have the sound amplifier option. If your sound amplifier doesn't work or you have no sound, check that fuse. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.